people from a variety of social classes would jump at the chance to become managers in organizations, either in executive or lower-level positions. But how does one's social class affect the likelihood of attaining management positions? By studying several large data sets, researchers found that around the world, individuals in and from lower social class origins are far less likely to become managers, and that their disadvantage in getting promoted is comparable in magnitude to the promotion disadvantage experienced by both women and Black Americans. Social class, or the cultural, social, and economic capital with which an individual is born or exposed at a young age, has profound effects throughout one's life. Importantly, researchers found that a person's parents' education, occupational prestige, and income level had a lot to do with one's future management prospects. In fact, the odds of attaining a management position were 32% lower for someone who came from a household where neither parent had a bachelor's degree. Personal education level was the largest factor in determining one's prospects for promotion. And when people grew up poor or without adults with higher levels of education, they themselves were less likely to become educated, keeping them out of management. Management positions matter for organizations representing diverse capabilities, and for individuals relating to happiness, health, and job satisfaction, meaning that all would do well to understand what things affect its attainment. Wonder how social class affects would-be managers? If so, you may want to read this paper.